Welcome back, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you here on my channel once again. Today, I have a special treat for you as I unveil my top 5 picks for the absolute best convertible mountain bike helmet available on the online market. When it comes to mountain biking, safety should always be a top priority. One essential gear that every rider should invest in is a high-quality cycling helmet. These remarkable products have undergone extensive research and testing, ensuring that only the finest options make it to this coveted list. Whether you're seeking unrivaled quality or exceptional value for your hard-earned money, rest assured, I've got you covered. Join me in this video where I'll provide an in-depth analysis of each product, highlighting their unique strengths and potential drawbacks. By the end, you'll have all the information you need to make a well-informed decision. Regardless of whether you're an experienced enthusiast or new to the game, there's something here to pique your interest. Without further ado, let's dive right into the highly anticipated top 5 selection. Number 1. Gyro Switchblade MIPS Adult Mountain Cycling Helmet. The Gyro Switchblade MIPS boasts an exceptional design that combines style and functionality. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this helmet features a sleek and aerodynamic outer shell that reduces drag, allowing riders to maintain speed while minimizing resistance. The construction incorporates a combination of lightweight materials, ensuring both durability and comfort. One standout feature of the Gyro Switchblade MIPS is the integration of the Multi-Directional Impact Protection System, MIPS. This revolutionary technology reduces rotational forces that can occur during an impact, providing an added layer of protection for the rider's brain. A helmet that fits properly is essential for optimal safety. The Gyro Switchblade MIPS features an adjustable fit system, allowing riders to personalize the helmet's fit to their specific head shape and size. The Rock-Lock Air DH fit system provides a secure and snug fit, preventing any unwanted movement while riding. With this level of adjustability, riders can feel confident that the helmet will stay in place, even on rough terrains. Number 2. Fend Foldable Bike Helmet. The Fend helmet provides a revolutionary solution for riders seeking convenience, portability, and uncompromising protection. The Fend Foldable Bike Helmet sets itself apart with its innovative folding mechanism. This feature allows the helmet to collapse by 50% of its original size, making it incredibly compact and easy to carry. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring new biking trails, or simply need a convenient storage solution, this helmet's foldability ensures hassle-free transportation and portability. Ensuring that a bike helmet meets safety standards is of utmost importance. The Fend Foldable Bike Helmet is rigorously tested and certified, meeting all safety requirements for bicycle, road bike, scooter, and commuter use. With its robust construction and adherence to safety standards, this helmet provides reliable protection for riders, giving them peace of mind during their cycling adventures. Number 3. PlayMe Adult Bike Helmets. Finding a helmet that fits securely and comfortably is essential for any cyclist. The adult bike helmets come equipped with an adjustable fit system, allowing riders to customize the helmet's fit according to their head size and shape. The dialer strap adjustment mechanism ensures a snug and secure fit, preventing any unwanted movement during rides. With this level of adjustability, cyclists can enjoy a personalized and comfortable helmet experience. A lightweight helmet is crucial for long rides or intense cycling sessions. The adult bike helmets feature a lightweight design that reduces fatigue and strain on the rider's neck and shoulders. The primary purpose of a bike helmet is to provide protection in case of an accident or collision. The adult bike helmets meet the necessary safety standards for cycling, providing riders with reliable head protection. These helmets are engineered with a robust outer shell and a shock-absorbing inner foam lining, effectively minimizing the impact of a potential crash. Number 4. Xnito Bike Helmet with LED Lights. This is an innovative solution designed to enhance safety while adding style to urban cycling. Safety is further enhanced with the Xnito Bike Helmet's integrated LED lights. Strategically positioned at the front and rear of the helmet, these lights significantly improve visibility, especially during low-light conditions or nighttime rides. The LED lights can be easily activated with a simple press of a button, providing cyclists with an added layer of safety on the road. Stay visible and ride with confidence, knowing that you are easily seen by motorists and pedestrians. This bike helmet boasts a sleek and urban design that appeals to style-conscious cyclists. With its modern lines and contemporary aesthetics, this helmet seamlessly integrates into the urban landscape. Available in a variety of colors, riders can choose a helmet that reflects their personal style and matches their biking attire. Stand out from the crowd with a helmet that combines both functionality and fashion. Number 5. Bell Super DH MIPS Adult Mountain Bike Helmet. This adult mountain bike helmet is equipped with the Multi-Directional Impact Protection System (MIPS), a revolutionary technology designed to reduce rotational forces during impacts. This advanced feature provides an additional layer of protection for the rider's brain, significantly reducing the risk of head injuries. With MIPS technology, cyclists can push their limits while maintaining peace of mind. For riders who crave adrenaline and tackle challenging terrains, the full-face design of the Bell Super DH MIPS helmet is an invaluable feature. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?